What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Uniswap on any computer, laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So for mining Uniswap, you need a good hardware components, fast internet connection and a Uniswap wallet address. So follow this video till the end and learn how to mine Uniswap. As you know that the Uniswap, they have their own swap, they have their own exchange, like they have their own decentralized platform that people easily they can swap their coins and tokens. They can buy coins and tokens through their swap. So here they have their own token that is Uniswap. So stay till the end and watch it. So here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto. Check out the mining tutorials, Binance tutorials and other coin reviews. Every day we are uploading different kind of videos about mining and coin reviews. So here open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable.com is completely a free and legit tool that you can mine different coins and all cryptocurrency. So here you can see Uniswap is available in this. Simply I will minimize this and type it Uniswap. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protection, click on the manage settings. Again scroll down, click on add or remove exclusions, click on add an exclusion, select the folder, select the Uniswap folder which I have created. So once the folder is fully excluded with the Windows security, simply close the Windows security. Why we are excluding the folder? Because directly we cannot download the unmineable miner or any other miner to the Windows. We are creating a folder and we are excluding that folder with the Windows security. So if you should directly download without any excluding the folder, so the Windows or Windows security will delete your miner software. So here again I will go back to the unmineable.com. Simply click on the download option. Here you can see right click on this. You can save the link as or you can download with any download manager. Here I'm using IDM, so I will click on this three dot, go to the desktop, select the Uniswap folder, click on save and start download. Once you have downloaded the unmineable miner, therefore you need to extract that using the WinRAR or 7-zip. So guys, as I've already downloaded the unmineable miner, so there is no need to download it again. As you can see, the official size of the unmineable miner is around 50 MB. So simply I will cancel it and go to the miner folder. Here I will copy it and paste it to the Uniswap. So right click on this and extract here. Once you have extracted, so double click to open it. Here is the unmineable. Click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware, whether your computer is having good graphic card, so you can select GPU. So simply I will continue it with the CPU and click on the next option. Here you have to select the token which you want to mine. I will type Uniswap. Here you have to enter your wallet address. In this case I'm using Binance. You can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet or any other cryptocurrency exchanges that you are currently using or trading cryptocurrency on that. So I'm using my Binance. Simply there is another method that you can install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system. Check the below down description and learn how to install it. Simply I will use my Binance account. Here is, once you come to the Binance, click on the wallet, click on the fiat and spot, select here type the name of the token which you want to search, click on the deposit. Here select the network. I will select it the Ethereum or ERC20. Click copy and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, so the start button will appear. So click on the start to start mining Uniswap token. So right now we are on the mining window. Here you can check out your last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the total payment now, and here is the payouts from 3.2 Uniswap. So if you want to bring changes to the mining setting, click on this advanced setting. Here you can select your mining intensity, like there is low, high or custom. You can set a custom worker name. There you can set a custom referral link. So further I will give you information about the referral link rewards. So click on the close. Here you can see it starts mining Uniswap token on my computer. So the hash rate is over 600. If you want to check the status of the mining, if you want to get the information about hour, 24 hour and about 12 hours, so you can click on the stats to open the unmineable.com. Here you can see auto pay every 12 hours whenever the balance is over 3.2 Uniswap. You can check the workers, how many workers are currently active on that, the payments, there is the referral code. So as I told you, the referral code of the unmineable miner is having a good feature that if you should share your referral code with your friends, with other people, once they have started mining, you will earn 0.25% of referral mining reward. So you can see that unmineable miner is completely a legit miner, and you can check this update using the unmineable miner. 627 Bitcoin currently mined with this miner software. So guys, as you can see, it's perfectly mining. If you continue this process with 12 hours or 24 hours, you will earn something from here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.